Hello, everyone. I'm Brad Smith, the President and Vice Chair of Microsoft. It's a pleasure for me to join you today. I was in Nigeria earlier this year. Today, I'm in my home, Seattle, Washington, where it's Thanksgiving, an American holiday. But I'm delighted to be part of it, what you're talking about today, because I think the issue that has brought you together is such a fundamentally important issue everywhere around the world. It really speaks to the future opportunities for people everywhere. How do we make the paradigm shift that we really need to think about from a future focused solely on degrees to a future focused on skills? That's what this book is about. I had the opportunity to read the book earlier this year, and I was fascinated by how it addresses the issues that I see every day in my work at Microsoft in every country around the world. Because one of the things we see so frequently is a mismatch. Employers are looking for one thing, employees have something different to offer. And as a result, jobs are created, but they remain open too long, and people get degrees, but they spend too much time trying to find a job. How do we close this gap? Well, in so many ways, I found that reading this book provided a user's manual, if you will. A user's manual for individuals to think about their future, a user's manual for employers and companies like Microsoft, how we think about navigating through this new world of skills, a user's manual for governments, for the future of education, and for the future of public policy. And while this issue is important everywhere, I think it's even more interesting in some ways across Africa. Because Africa, as you know, not only has 1.3 billion people, but with a median age less than 20, it has the